Hi everyone. I wanted to do one more video today. This video will be about who should attend our course. So I get a lot of questions about, well, I'm already in repair. I own a shop. I've been doing repair for 10 years. Can I come to your course? If you've started this video and you do have a lot of experience and you're already doing repairs and running a shop, our course is not for you. Our course is for beginners. So our course is for people who are just starting out. The course is built on the core foundation of what tools are, what is made inside of a phone, what is a loudspeaker, what is a proximity sensor, how to tell if a phone has a short, what contacts to use to buy things, how to buy overseas, how to brand your own accessories, how to change a back on an iPhone 5, how to change the power button on iPhone 6, how to do charge port, loudspeaker, switch out the motherboard, how to do activations. So if you're already running a shop and you're doing repairs, this is probably not the right course for you. And we wouldn't want you, we don't want people that this is not for to attend. Even though we appreciate your interest, we do have some advanced courses coming up in the end of 2018. So keep an eye on our website. But primarily our 30-hour course, which is in 3, 4, or a 5-day spread, and the 3-day includes food, which they all include hotel as well, is for beginners, people who are just getting into the industry and want to have a great start. They want to get out there. They don't want to break people's phones. Or if they do break someone's phone, they know what to do. They want to know where to buy things, where to get the cheap items. They don't want to be upsold. These are people that really want to know what we know, the people who own shops already. That's what we teach in this class. So I hope that helps. If you're a beginner, this is the course for you. Or if you've been doing some repairs from home, maybe you've damaged some stuff, you hadn't had a big success rate, this course is for you, okay? If you own a shop that does activations and you're looking to add repairs, this course is for you, okay? Maybe you flip phones, maybe you buy and sell phones online and you're deep in that and you want to start fixing phones to have a more variety to flip. This course is for you, okay? So I hope that answers your question, and everybody have a good day, and I'll hope to see you in class. Bye.